Hey guys, welcome to Bob Team Shan. Me and the guys decided to sort of start this sort of vlog of our journey to Beijing 2022. So hopefully we'll be able to bring everybody along on the journey with us, and then hopefully show you the good, the bad, the ugly, and sort of everything really. So do all the usual YouTube stuff, like, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and then follow us along on our crazy journey. Here's a short introduction about myself. My name's Shan Stevens. I'm the pilot for the Jamaican team at the moment. I was born in Jamaica, moved to the UK 2002. I started sliding bobsleighs in 2015 for the Air Force. We get trials for the Jamaican team in 2017. Fortunate enough to be asked by the team to stay on for the duration of the season. Definitely, we missed out on 2018 Olympics by one slot. The year after, I started driving for the team, and then here we are trying to qualify for Beijing 2022.
Hi guys, my name's Ashley Watson. I'm 27 years old and a Jamaican bobsleigh brakeman. I got involved in bobsleigh back in 2013. I come from a track and field and powerlifting background. I did stop for a bit and I've come back to the best team there is, Team Jamaica. Hope you guys enjoy our videos and our content.
Hi guys, my name is Rolando Reed. I am 28 years of age. I'm from Manchester, Jamaica. I'm a former track athlete at Monroe College in Jamaica. Morgan State alumni. Go Bears. I am a brakeman and looking forward to qualify for the 2022 Beijing Olympics. So follow through and keep up with the journey, guys.
Hey guys, my name is Matthew Wekpe, aka Matthew Wilson. I'm 31 years old and I'm a brakeman on the Jamaican bobsleigh team. I got involved in bobsleigh over the pandemic. Shan actually reached out to the Jamaican Rugby Sevens team, which I'm part of also. So I literally put my hand up and said, hey, I'll give it a go. And fast forward to today, I am on the journey of been trying to help the team go to the Olympics. So I hope you guys enjoy it too. Let's get it.
It's out here in Lake Placid because Lake Placid is our home track. So about 3 to 4 weeks prior to racing every year, we'll come out to Lake Placid and do some training, pushing, and then they've built like a new facility as well, which we'll show you later on. They've got an indoor ice house which we used to push and stuff as well. So it's quite good. It's all brand new facility now, and let's make the most of it. So yeah, we just arrived at the Mount Van Hoevenberg training center, which is aka Lake Placid. So there she is. This is where we have a little warm-up, indoor warm-up track. So yeah, we're gonna have a little warm-up session and then go do some pushing. That's it, warm up complete. Now we're gonna head upstairs and get some pushing then. this is the ice house. And then sort of like this is the training facility we use indoors to sort of practice pushing and stuff like that. So we push the sled all the way down here. And then we go all the way down to Broward's Hill. Let me see if we can zoom in a little bit. And then if I zoom in, it goes all the way down, all the way up the top of that hill. And then it sort of rolls back all the way up again. So yeah, that's pretty much our little training facility. See, another session complete. Everybody's happy. Coach happy? Alright. Alright, next session.